Welcome, today in front of me Nubia Red Magic 6R, and I'll show you how to change screen recorder quality on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then we should scroll down to more features. After that, click here to Super Snap and you'll see here screen recording quality section. Just click here once and now we can switch here our screen recordings quality from standard to high to super high. And also if you want you can use the custom quality here. So also we have the second way how we can activate the screen recording settings. So first we should open notification panel shortcuts, and after that somewhere here you should find the screen recording icon. Just to launch the settings we should hold for a while this icon. After that you can click here to the settings icon and just click here to more settings, and by the same way we can see here the screen recording section and the quality settings, and we can change here the settings also. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.